Lisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have a different kind of video for you. It is late afternoon where I am. I have been busy all day filming and creating and working on all kinds of stuff, and my craft room is a mess. And I thought I would bring you guys along to clean with me. So let's go. All right, so this is what the craft room looks like after a busy day of making videos, editing, doing some volunteer work. It's not too bad over there. I got some new Happy Mail, so there's stuff on the floor, random planner pages, my big photo screen. You can see I was just filming and taking videos over there. So it's messy, at least pretty messy for me, and I want to be able to enjoy it this evening and in the morning. So I usually like to clean up after my workday is done, and I thought I would bring you guys along and kind of show you my process, because I do have a process for how I like to clean up. All right, in general, I work from one side of the room to the other. So I'll probably start right here with that Felicity Jane box, and I will start cleaning things up, and I will work my way around the room in this direction, slowly but surely kind of making my way through all of this stuff and putting it where it goes. Everything has a place, and that makes it much easier to clean up. All right, let's do this. When I get new Happy Mail, the first thing I do is try to put it away. So when I get a new subscription kit, my usual routine is to keep a brand new subscription kit together in its own pocket, in these 12 by 12 pockets, and I take the old kit, the one I had used from the previous month, and I sort it out, which is what is happening now. I'm gathering up all of the pieces of the Felicity Jane new kit that I had just used for an unboxing video, and now I'm going through the old kit, and I am dividing it up between whole pattern papers, scraps, and solid color papers, and that way it stays nice and neat. Everything stays together Felicity Jane wise, but a current kit stays in its entirety while I play with it. Once I've played with it for a month, then it's time to put it away. So you can see now I'm taking the elements of the kit. There's some different labels. There are some ephemera pieces. There's enamel pieces. I have places for everything once I'm ready to break a kit apart. And yes, I do break it apart even if I haven't gotten like to the end of the kit, just because I like to keep what's current out, and everything else, especially with Felicity Jane wise, kind of coordinates. Wanting to show you, this is my big screen that I use for taking pictures, and I am super proud of myself that I've been able to learn how to put it away, because it was not easy to learn how to fold it up. I did though. Now you can't see, but what I'm doing is putting away those planner pages, finding where they belonged in the extra planners and putting them away. I also could easily toss those. This is what happens to be out on my filming center right now. I was taking pictures of my new Pipsticks subscription, so I am placing it away, putting it in the place in that binder where it goes, and also putting my Pippi magazine away along with a holographic bag. I generally move that white foam board on when I'm taking pictures. I'm turning out the lights and getting everything out of the filming area that doesn't belong. At this point, here is where I hit the main part. I am working on my desk, and just like I said, I work from one side to the other. So kind of loosely, I'll work from the left to the right, slowly but surely clearing things off, putting things away, putting things back where they belong, and not just sticking them places, but really taking the time to put it away. If I do that now, then it will save me time in the future. Here I'm about to start sorting my ephemera pieces that came out of an old kit. I take my Felicity Jane ephemera and I sort it into different categories, one being florals, another being tags, general pictures, labels, and word pieces. So Felicity Jane pieces all stay together. My other paper ephemera is in a drawer in my desk, sorted by color. So that is the system that works best for me. I also have some mixed media pieces that did not get cleaned up during the day, so I like to keep baby wipes in my craft room so I can wipe down stencils and things like that. You can see everything I'm gathering now is all part of the By the Well for God in the Night Season devotional kit. I do like to keep my current projects in bins, which is what that bin is for. And as I'm going through, I know there's lots of pieces of that kit around, so I am gathering them up, putting them in that bin, and then that bin will end up being stored in a drawer, ready to pull out when I want to work on that devotional again. I used decor pieces from all over my craft room to take pictures with, so you can see I had to climb on my desk to put a rainbow back up that I had pulled down for a picture earlier. All right, here are some more scraps that need to find their way to their homes. I have 12 by 12 organized over here, including past Hip Kit Club and Hip Kit Club scraps, so that's where those pieces are going. Picking up a few pieces, making sure everything fits in the trash can. Whenever I get new Happy Mail, the trash can definitely starts to fill up. So it's important to just make sure I get everything in there until it is time to empty it a little bit later on. I had a whole stack of planner stickers that was out from a plan with me, so I am putting them away back in their containers in my planner cart and in my new sticker containers that are underneath my card catalog. The last step is wiping things down. I really like using these Windex wipes because they do a really good job of cleaning off extra ink and things, and plus I really like using them on my glass media mat that is right there in the center of my desk. So I'm just shifting things around, trying to clean up some of the sticky off the media mat and giving everything a nice wipe down. When I'm doing a more thorough cleaning, then I definitely use my magic eraser to work on my desk because that really helps get all of the extra little art marks off, but this will be the last step. All right, so it took about 20 minutes to really go through things. I had some new pieces to put away, some things to actually clean up. I needed to really wipe down my desk. You saw it was super dirty, but now everything is all cleaned up, ready for more crafting. Thank you so much for joining me today as I cleaned my craft room. I hope it kind of inspires you to get into your craft space, get it cleaned up and ready to create. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that bell notification button. Thank you so much to the members of my YouTube community for joining and supporting. That is so awesome. I really appreciate you. If you would like to find out more about how to join and the special perks you get, make sure to click that join button as well. I hope you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.